This is the Bissell Powerforce Helix Turbo Vacuum. It is hopefully lightweight maneuverable. We're going to see. I'm going to unbox it. I'm going to put it together and give it a try. I had bought a different one, a Hoover, and it was kind of hard to maneuver. I did a video about it. So I'm kind of comparing these. The other one was kind of hard. It was kind of heavy, even just to move it around the house. So this one hopefully will be a better choice. It was probably about $70, $75 maybe. So we will see how it goes. If it's easy, usually they're easy to put together, so that's good. But we'll see if it's easy to maneuver and a little more lightweight. The other one I think was very heavy when I was moving around the house. Hopefully this one will be better. We have the registration. We have the power tools. Those little accessories that help when you're getting these are hard to reach places, or if you have a pet with the hair that gets embedded in the rug. My dog doesn't shed, so that's always good for me, at least. We have the vacuum part, the handle, a little crevice tool, the hose, and the little attachments for those different kinds of cleaning. So this is how it came. And now I'm going to put it together. I'll tell you one thing about this so far. There's two screws that come taped to the handle. You got to put them in. This one finally did pop through and I was able to do it. This side, it's like at a weird angle to try to get it in there. So I'm going to try again, but I just want to point it out before I get it attached, because I'm not going to redo it. Both screws are now in. There's that one. And there's that one. They're both in, so ready to connect the other parts. I was able to do it. Shouldn't sound so surprised, but sometimes it takes me a little while to get these things done. So it was pretty easy to put together. The screws were the hardest part. Then you just have to follow the other directions. Things pop in. Mostly all plastic parts. So now we're going to give it a try and see how it works. Because what would a vacuum demonstration be without an actual demonstration? Here it goes. So now that I have some of my rug, part of my rug finished, I want to show how easy it is. Here is the canister of the dust. There's a little button on top that says empty. Press it, it pops right off. One thing that is bugging me about this is the crevice tool popped off twice while I was vacuuming. I would think that it would end up right here under it, but it does not. I've tried to push it down to see, but it sits on here. So I don't use it that often anyway, so if I have to, I'll put it somewhere off to the side if it keeps from falling off, but that was one negative of mine. So, in conclusion, my Bissell Powerforce Helix Turbo vacuum seems to be pretty good. It's adjustable. It went really smooth at some parts. Sometimes it felt like I was like against the grain of the rug maybe, and it went not as smooth. Has adjustable height on the bottom, and seemed to have nice suction. It was also lightweight to pick up, probably about 12 pounds. So it's not as bad. The other one seemed heavier, just to kind of move it around from room to room. So hopefully this will last me another 10 years, like my other vacuum did. But overall, good job.
One last thing about this vacuum, I've had it for a few months now, and it's been doing a pretty decent job, and I'm happy with the results of it. I checked it on Walmart.com today. It's at $79, so it's still under $80, which is good. And this was as of July 2022.